In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly adjust the size of an image inside your project, this is a very simple method that works well and is easy to follow, even if you're still new to the software. Resizing an image can help you make it fit better on screen, create a zoomed-in look, or reposition it so it works nicely with the rest of your edit. To begin, go to your timeline and click on the image clip you want to adjust. Make sure the correct clip is selected before moving on, because any changes you make will apply only to the clip that is currently highlighted. This is important if you have multiple images or layers in your project. Once your image clip is selected, look at the clip preview window. Below that preview on the left side, you'll find a small arrow icon. Click on that arrow to open the available on-screen controls. From the options that appear, choose Transform. This will activate the transform controls directly in the preview window, which is one of the quickest ways to visually resize your image. After transform is enabled, you'll see circles or handles appear around your image in the preview. You can click and drag these controls to readjust the image size. If you want the image to appear smaller, drag inward. If you want it larger, drag outward. This gives you a very direct and intuitive way to scale the image while seeing the result immediately on screen. You can also use these controls to stretch the image if needed. That means you're not limited to making it simply bigger or smaller overall. You can adjust it more freely depending on the look you're going for. Just keep in mind that stretching an image too much can change its proportions. So if you want a more natural result, make your adjustments carefully and watch the preview as you go. As you resize, take a moment to check how the image sits inside the frame. Make sure important parts of the picture are still visible and that the image looks balanced in your composition. Small adjustments often make a big difference. And that's it. That's an easy way to resize images in DaVinci Resolve using the transform controls right from the preview window. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of your editing workflow.